Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be doing a products video today and I have all my products right here beside me. My gels, my deep conditioners, I have two of everything. Like, it's so good that I have two of everything, but I'm gonna, walk you guys through everything that I have here and let's just get into it. Okay, so where do I start? Okay, so washing goes. My two gel favorites. Okay, so first I have this, where's the label? Okay, I have this Wetline Extreme. Can you guys see that? Oh. This gel is like everything, you guys. Like, only thing is if you don't like crunch, this is gonna give you a lot of crunch, but I've been using this gel since before it was popular, before everybody has done the YouTube videos on this gel. I knew about this. So this is nothing new. Like the second gel that I use is the Eco Styler. I'm gonna get better at showing you guys the labels, but yeah. So the Eco Styler, it doesn't have, for me, it doesn't have the same amount of hold as I get with the Wetline. It's more of a moisturizing gel, and the Wetline is moisturizing as well, but it just has a lot of crunch. Like, if you don't use a leave-in, you're gonna have a lot of crunch. And that's the next thing I want to get into, my leave-ins. Let me just put this right here. Okay, so I have quite a few leave-ins that I use. Quite a few. Okay, so this one I have been using since my transition days, and it's so good that I've got two, you guys. And this is the Garnier Fructis, whatever, Sleek and Shine. With argan oil from Morocco. Like, I love argan oil. It's lightweight, and it moisturizes, it leaves your hair shiny, but it doesn't leave it weighed down, and that's like a key factor for me. I don't like having my hair too weighed down. So this I've been using since my transition days. This is like a tried and true product. This got me, like, if anything, this right here got me through the transition, and it helped me grow my hair because it's so moisturizing. Like, I don't know what else to say about this, but if you haven't tried this, get this, you guys, for real. The next product I've been using for a while, like, the label even looks crazy, like it's old, but it's the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk. This one's kind of old actually, but I use this. I use it sparingly because it does have coconut oil in it, but I love this stuff. Like, with this and the curl enhancing smoothie, like, my curls come out like ringlets. It's so pretty, but I just haven't used it in a while because of the fact that it has coconut oil in it, and I'm trying to stay away from coconut oil. Now this right here, you guys, all my products are like holy grails for me. Like, I don't use it unless I like it. So this again is gonna be like, if you don't get anything else, like, get this. Hold on, is that? I hope that's not in my video. But anyway, if you don't get anything else, you guys, you have to get this. And this is the red palm oil. Let me try to get this in the frame. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, it's the Curl Stretch Pudding by Shea Moisture. And, like, I swear by Shea Moisture's products, you guys. Like, love, love, love Shea Moisture because it's organic, right? I think it's organic. Yeah. And it's sulfate free, all that good stuff. Has great ingredients. Now, literally, this is the exact, wait, is this the same thing? No, okay. You guys, it's so good that I have another one on deck. Like, just in case I run out. Like, so this is what I want to show you. The curl stretch pudding and the styling jelly. Now, I have two of these. Like, as you can see, this one is kind of like, you know, really well loved. And this one right here is the new one. Like, I cannot run out of this stuff. This stuff is amazing. Like, when I say it makes your hair so soft, like, your hair will feel like pillows. Like, I don't know. But this stuff will make your hair so soft and moisturized. Like, I wish I could really, like, let you guys know how this feels, but it feels wonderful. Sometimes, wait, my hair is looking kind of, my hair is looking janky right now, so let's put that back. But this I use if I am going to do like a braid out or something. It's the styling jelly. Honestly, for a wash and go, it's not gonna work because it's like really, I don't know if you guys can even see this, but it's really runny. Oh, yeah, it's really runny. So it's not gonna provide much hold, but in terms of moisture, like, and style retention, it does the job when it comes to braid outs. I also have these, and I use these for me and my daughter. This is hers and this is mine. It's the, well, they're both different, but they're both detanglers. Let me see. They're both detanglers, and this stuff is amazing as well. If you need moisture, this stuff is amazing. Like, you guys, you have to, like, these products, like, I'm putting y'all on. You need to use these products because this stuff is what grew my hair. Shea Moisture, like, you're amazing. Okay. And I don't know if I mentioned it in the last video. No, I didn't mention it in the last video, but my hair is bleached. I can probably insert a picture of, like, cause it's like a light brown now, but it was bleached till it was like orange, and then I had to tone it, and it kind of got this brownish color. But my hair has been bleached like 3 times because of the fact that I've dyed it cherry, like black cherry, something like that. I dyed it black cherry, and then I dyed it black, and then I dyed a whole bunch of dark colors. So when it came time to lighten my hair, it was hell. Like, I had to bleach it like a couple times. But to combat the damage that I suffered, you guys, like, everything in bulk. I used, let me see if I can get this right this time. No, if you hear that sound in the background, that's my daughter's potty watch, so don't mind that. The Neutrogena Triple Moisture Deep Recovery Hair Mask. Like, honestly, I don't know where to find it in stores. I order it offline, but you guys, I had to get 2 because this stuff, like, this is the only deep conditioner I use, because when I tell you your hair could be at the brink of breaking, splitting, death, this stuff will bring it back to life. All my products are like holy grail. I know I like keep saying that, but it's the truth. What else do I have to show you? Oh, I use this, like, if I don't normally use oils on my wash and go, but let's say I do a braid out and I need to take it down, I'll use this. Or when my straight hair gets like old and I want to curl it, like, well, when I curl it, like, I mean by flexi rod or like putting it up in a bun and letting it, you know, take the shape of the bun. I don't mean putting heat on it. I will use this oil to kind of give it a little weight so that it can take the curl. What else? Y'all, bulk. Like, I buy everything in 2s. Like, oh, the last thing. Okay, so again, I have 2 of the same product, but I'll just show you this one. This is the one and only Arganol. Oh, the glare on that. The one and only Arganol treatment. I use this well, now I use it to straighten my hair, but before I was just using it like when my hair kind of got old, like I used that other oil. But this stuff will keep the frizz from forming in your hair once it's straight. Like, you guys, this is going on week 3 and I have not, I mean, it has a little texture to it, but it's not like to where it's frizzing up or anything. And mind you, I just took it out of a bun today, so it looks pretty good to be going on 3 weeks old. I need to wash it today and I will do that, but yeah, when I get around to it. Is there anything else? I do use this Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink, but I don't use it like consistently. This is like more so for when I will do a braid out or twist out and I kind of need a little hold, because this styling jelly, like I said, the styling jelly doesn't really give a lot of hold, but if I want my style to last a little bit longer and be elongated, I'll use the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink. I gotta get better with, like, you know, getting this stuff in focus, but yeah. I'll probably end up doing a wash and go video so you can see how I use my gels. And I'm thinking about actually making like a wash and go series so that you guys can kind of see what products I use, and if I want to try out some new products, I'll do a review on those for you guys. If you're interested in that, like, you know, comment, let me know. I enjoy feedback from you guys, so, you know, just comment, let me know what videos you would like to see concerning hair, or any topic really, but just, you know, comment, let me know. And that would be it for my products. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, share, subscribe, and I will be back with more videos.